Looking for the best spice rack for small kitchen that every home chef needs? You're in the right place. I've researched and tested the best spice rack for small kitchen to help you cook smarter, faster, and easier. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to GadgetNest for more smart kitchen finds and honest reviews. And don't forget to check the description below for updated prices and exclusive deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Link Professional Elite Pull-out Spice Rack Organizer. Upgrade your kitchen organization with the Link Professional Elite Pull-out Spice Rack Organizer. This 6x21-inch slide-out drawer is designed to fit snugly inside standard kitchen cabinets, combining functionality with elegant style. Made from high-quality wood and chrome, it adds a refined touch to your kitchen decor. The 3-tier construction allows you to store multiple spice jars in an easily accessible manner, eliminating cluttered shelves and improving your cooking experience. Its smooth sliding mechanism ensures that every jar is within reach, even those tucked in the back. This rack helps optimize your storage space, especially in compact kitchens. Installing the unit is quick and straightforward with clear instructions provided. Built to last, it offers a durable, practical solution for spice organization. Whether you're a casual cook or a culinary enthusiast, this spice rack simplifies your workflow and adds convenience. Make your spices easy to find and keep your kitchen neat and tidy. Number 2. Baker Rack with Power Outlet. Microwave stand with storage. Transform your kitchen into a multifunctional space with the Baker Rack with Power Outlet. This rustic brown kitchen rack isn't just stylish, it's built for serious utility. With multiple shelves and a designated area for your microwave, it helps reduce clutter and streamline your countertop space. The 14 versatile hooks are perfect for hanging kitchen tools, mugs, or utensils, keeping everything you need within easy reach. A built-in power outlet adds even more convenience, allowing you to plug in appliances like a microwave or coffee maker without extra cords running across the kitchen. The metal frame provides reliable strength to hold heavy pots, pans, or small kitchen appliances. Its warm, rustic brown finish adds charm, blending seamlessly with a variety of interior styles. Easy to assemble and incredibly sturdy, this rack is ideal for turning a small kitchen corner into a fully functional coffee bar or cooking station. A smart upgrade for any kitchen. Number 3. Rev-A Shelf 5-inch Pullout Kitchen Cabinet Storage Organizer. Maximize your cabinet space with the Rev-A Shelf 5-inch Pullout Kitchen Cabinet Storage Organizer. Designed specifically for tight spaces, it fits perfectly in a 5.5-inch wide cabinet opening. This compact yet versatile rack offers adjustable shelves that adapt to your spice jars, cans, or condiments. Built with quality maple and durable hardware, it's designed for long-term use. The full extension slide-out feature ensures easy access to items stored in the back, making it an ideal addition for anyone tired of reaching and rummaging through cramped cabinets. This unit transforms narrow, often unused cabinet spaces into efficient storage zones. Installation is straightforward, with included hardware and easy-to-follow instructions. With its sleek build and customizable layout, this organizer is not just practical, it enhances the overall look and efficiency of your kitchen. Ideal for modern homes that demand form and function, the Rev-A Shelf Organizer helps you keep things neat and cooking stress-free. Number 4. Vertical Spice. Adjustable Spice Rack Drawer. Bring vertical organization to your kitchen with the Vertical Spice Adjustable Spice Rack Drawer. This smartly designed cabinet organizer features 3 pull-out drawers and a 5-tier upper section, giving you flexible space for storing spices and small kitchen items. At just 6.9 inches wide, it fits neatly in most cabinets while making the most of vertical space. Adjustable shelving accommodates various container sizes, helping you customize the layout to your exact needs. The cream finish adds a subtle elegance that complements any kitchen style. Built for daily use, it's constructed with durable materials that ensure long-lasting performance. The drawers glide smoothly for quick and easy access, keeping meal prep efficient and clutter-free. Whether you're working with a large pantry or a compact kitchen, this rack offers a smart solution to keep everything in order. Simplify your cooking routine and enjoy a neater, more functional space with this clever organizer. Number 5. Oriadova. 24. Jar revolving spice rack with spices included. Add flair and function to your countertop with the Oriadova 24 jar revolving spice rack. This compact rotating organizer makes it easy to access all your favorite spices while saving valuable kitchen space. The sleek black and green design adds a modern touch to your kitchen, while each of the 24 included jars comes pre-filled with fresh aromatic spices. Perfect for daily cooking or special recipes, this spice rack ensures you'll always have the right seasoning at hand. The rotating base allows for smooth, effortless access to every jar, so no more digging through cabinets or drawers. Built with quality and convenience in mind, the rack is both sturdy and stylish. Whether you're a beginner cook or a seasoned chef, it brings order and efficiency to your culinary setup. Compact and functional, it's ideal for small kitchens or anyone looking to tidy up their spice storage. Thanks for watching today's top picks from GadgetNest. If you enjoy discovering cool kitchen gadgets that make your life easier, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated. All product links and latest prices are in the description below. Don't miss them. Got a question or want to see a specific gadget reviewed? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay smart, stay inspired, and keep cooking with confidence.